with humans self-isolating themselves in response to the global pandemic and due lockdown, the animals are back in town. Recently a deer was spotted running across an empty street in Dehradun. The video of a deer surfaced on the internet on Friday and is going viral on social media. The 7-second video of the spotted deer was shared on Twitter by a user, Saket, who captioned it, and in Dehradun. Sushantananda of the Indian Forest Service retweeted the clip with the caption, "Here is spotted deer Chital, on the lanes of Dehradun. Nature reclaiming thick and fast."
भाग गया गया
Here is what netizens said.